Yeah, but only much na se. Ewi mu nyenya message na. Ochina bi betimi asi. It many that's one cost one. Star Life some can show say, where do you see yourself in the next year or maybe in the next 2 years? Where do you see your family? You didn't say now your high hopes in life. Say never beat me but no one knows tomorrow. No matter how good or plans are, all the share kwamuna etiani ade. Bibi betimi asi. Unforeseen occurrences there. Etaiba. Any pa your brain kwa de betimi aba. Now swing you know say Star Life Assurance etai we chi dia. Oda obeda. Esan say dey betu bia no obe story ejina wachi echigina pa. Eno ti bomo dia na any Star Life Assurance. Any gita ho ene dey. Say be betimi abo wachi do. Ochina bibi etowa. Ya so mu amwatimi asan ejina na so bi. Francis here 0302 739 600. Star Life, your solid partner for life. They say so latest drinks all time will be a no be a dinner dances a muye pan a Puma drinks. Yes. Now we sort to be bread. Your sabe can be a koyi ni muzo de pa. You're on the apple, cola, tamarind, a fe apple banana, and a combination, and your war orange, tropical, a fe malt, cranberry, and a pineapple. You're 45 in now with essential vitamins. How do we beat me abwa yepa? It's a whole new vibe. Mount San County away, major distribution points. How do we need wholesale outlets now? 13 cedis per pack. Now retailers also they are 15 cedis per pack. One bottle air 1 CD 50 pesos. Open the door now afraid 0262 351 251. We are another quality product here. Casa Preco Company Limited. Now somewhere last week, Wabrana BC for your more church almost or any muna. There was this euphoria about one of the graduates I built on one car. No crane a Ghana for one was now will be our JHS there. Oh, build a wow car saying. Man, some agent to have baby social media baby weekend in he's been trending everywhere. Now a brand here or building on one car or mention studio hardware nano pay ya. Yana baby didn't come on. Now I share how it all started. Then on yes, I've been so betting me a building on one car. I dare be doing pempens where the car can actually move. And I saw a video of our very own Denta. You know, riding the car with a young man, and I was like, wow. And the other baby didn't come out. Now, watch saying, said the and near my AC qualify. It's about you as soon as it's your combine this week. Ubi counts rooms. Calvin and Marquaba.
I tell me, you so.
Calvin is saying,
I tell you,
full name, mammy, full name.
Pacho, Midini Kelvin Odate Cruikshank.
Kelvin.
Udate
Crookshank na Crookshank no o papa din no
Pacho I my grandfather din ebusen din
sir Crookshank and what's the meaning of that and now man church was here
o che me say some more be see we fie nim
okay
nipa no di wo nim no it was called Crookshank nti omo release bomb ni beto e fie on that day na no mo my great grandfather.
Wow.
Because omu na hwe ensi no ntino. Omu disa we no war leader no.
Yeah, no.
So anafidi eshas say by
Crookshank. More great family history. Yeah, I can see that. Okay. So now tell me how old are you?
Please, I'm 18 years.
18 years.
Yes,
now at which age and now one cuz I realize here say or sa ability no say obeti me a build a wow car.
Please, when I was 10 years, I was building
10 years.
But now me building small cars, like prototype, small ones. They call exhibitions. So within the exhibition, no, it was schools, no. Like one of my friends, they were very interested of cars and airplanes. Now me educate schools, no. So they on me imagine say on my become na nina ya yedwuma na bom. Nti ye wo musa na omubaye ayeye no once I say nkiti ye the exhibitions be winning awards, but for me no a chairman because I think say maybe a winning award na penifo no more, they can help so that the dreams never true. But I can see that still people in the school that they are building the thing. They don't have any value from what they are doing. And so I decided in my mind that because that we are we should build something that can attract people and also help the community as well. See, me down for no. That was 2015, and I share our project now. Say, me down for ni na kasa say, omuntu omboa na ye mi ani na because ade edin and so your kwantintin ye say ska so be kan ni omu kasa ni na bebre ye sha ase no bebre abemu buye esan say ye a school for na ye so no ye mame na ma iska a parent na hwe ti ye ntimi nya sa ska na e be hia de aye project no immediately at the moment no timi no mukai ni na bebre bi mbuti asese o media mama be mumbu me mama be mumbu enya hwe ebetimi aye so as time go on no ka no beginning na me ye no I realize say indi na yi soon enye strong so na can pese me one passenger for only me so so
interesting. Abuja for you know about Kelvin. What build your one car and you can join us live on Facebook now. Or the sharp branch, such a a nice young guy on what building a car and interesting. You was in a car, initially a strong job, one passenger, but what we saw already at least with me from Crawford somewhere. So to us all.
The Abanisano, Anna Misha say me small car for me like to drive no to me and nana bika chem said dabi menyesa oh yeah dear ama obi hu ama na enefe say oh yeah na say you be fe onyanko betini ma na say we ntimi ntwe no che say untimi tinim nti ye ne kese mu esan say wo say sky ade ni nti no ye ne kese mu na enye endi mu ne nye kese se na openi bi ba ne bia enefe obi wa ebe enefe obi wa ontini mu obi sunya opeso tinim no hwese na tie bia opeso tinim ti me fast idea and fast and I say okay first plan no ya mistake because ye this plan is so anka by now be betima backcrap opeso interview opeso tinim kakra eni ni twa no enyi nya sa we no opportunity no nti me say sa plan no ye first one nti first one
and now develop another plan
and me develop another plan. That was the time now me take Matis size the baby build the car nankasa no and within that time the crap no me ko share madam bi Adam Fopan say me take size no say minya now ye den me say on pacho me take can just now to go den say to go ka okati nyan say Charlie version ko na wati say me bodam
so okachi was bodam you were going crazy
okachi say wati say me
bodam so taking measurements say also they ko build the car
say ni papa wini tin I say bibi ni na dream I say bodam
at that point no how did you feel say o person ya there and
I feel very sad and like na me ya but me controlling no because madam na me bunipa.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Fast forward. Uteki sa matters measurement no. And now ultimately share so a day or day. But mami bisa ye we ni na now when your formal training be how to do those things now.
From the beginning there is no idea of lady
and did you read some books as to if you want to build this one be able to equip you
even with this one searching of how to do crap
internet
YouTube I was not having the Android phone to have access to those things until like a man find it very difficult to me and I'm so no because say me small ones to me developing more to the extent say I can provide my own things with my own materials with my own surrounding maybe minimal materials na or me own until say maybe konku na me dey bibia me make sure say me modern it say na me per se say na maybe me could do baby na be afford bi ba one side I can get that materials no to do it on my own. Maybe we wait me akra nya maybe if baby the oma mo dey adi aba say fourth bound na say we na the same material na fansha. Ubonsa fi dey work kwemba waka. But say we all try to build something on our own. So our knowledge on our own no. Sometimes no boy pa research ni so boy.
Wow. Kelvin. See the other day na me hwe me hu say o say it got to a point now say we use sa tricycle ni be ne engine.
Yes.
Now all the audience. So far our car no engine a woman no. You find say a bike engine a woman.
Patron a bike engine.
Enti we know how bike need there no. Yeah structure no.
Patron.
And you're linking it to the gearbox and where you have to change it and all of that. But car then looks a bit different. So how did you merge the two? The engine to the gearbox and then that of you bring the levers down there to change and you have to press the clutch and things and then what me be shifting gears now. How did you do that mechanism?
On side they need a very big problem because steady abobo ya omomu you see long shaft they call back as on. Now so me back a crank say normal cars say saloon cars they are some all no they are built with front row drives engine no inim the entire maneko. So at first me imagine say can me use shafts edina man or back but me ban the back was very expensive.
Yes,
me ko bisa no mo say me fat 1,000 Ghana brands so me nya back we ntimi so na me afford this back and am ka say okay and the me anka say me build front row drive no ntino me pe ade na wo gearbox ni na mi po mi ni midin na ade bi o gearbox mi friend Spider GS so Spider GS no and na joining a friend saying shaft no passenger shaft ni driving shaft no together and no eboama shaft mi no need mi kan bom say utwa ho a ana say o kwa e ma movement ni easy nti no na yekoto ya ye de a friend say motor sprocket e be share ho wo driving shaft no ana edi bi ma gearbox ni wo a friend say engine no ensim straight ya dane no
what dane no
in the other side ni say na chain betimi nya link to a friend say Spider GS na this pocket na man nti no kran ye sanso use some bearing you boris bearing eno na
said be ya nti steering no yeah because said the okay say why ye ne ho na yin so a o teni steer no so na you might not get the rotation said the open no
mpacho initia na ye use shaft no shaft no mind in such a way say
it can turn
any angle bi open no ebe kwa ma nti point na rotation take place wo driving Spider G and honum the AFM ejina steam but from shaft no to hub no your another shaft enu na ebuama
se be move e better
any angle o kono e bi atani e fabo so e kosropa form ni nyama ni na sa shaft na eye ejuma ni na.
But Kelvin Mamimbisa in doing this no you need a place big enough ubet me keep you materials now ube try na ade na place like that.
No please wacho me ni baby sir
it will need garage be say bia hana because ebia ene we are na do this level you have to stop ebia no china wato aso oniema wo de egu wo ba na obi abe mess up with the niema no pa
o china be ba no difficult one pa pacho eye obi fie me papa dan fu bi fie na like mapa na cho ono so otima se kakra your friend Brani or boame pa ono so na o ma me machine ye dey start say ye dey word nyama na ye no nti no ni fie onum na ye dey car ni nti fiti ase no na e wo ye fie na me sha ase wo na me ni baby a me disi nti se chassis no me ye chassis ni wia ni peja chassis ni car na my pieces no na me kita na me dey call ho nti e bedu baby o ka say okay se na ye ne be ma ya brain ti no yen jansi na yenye nti as time go on na eche nti yen on so boy with some place no was some small room bi won ka che say top part bi na say hwe na say ye di si abonte very la yen fan ko inside nti on so o support here with sa room no any ni fie ni machine na o de ma say yen fan nye eduma no but sisi anu de me ma me shop na me eduma won first that time na a wooden store na idua no mudia ba na mami na adin say ko the store na like waton yama wo ba uncompleted nti me pa na cho no say okay metim da besim nti me sesim na Sisi an ewo.
Sisi enfa se ho na your garage.
Nti ho na ya me me body wear so. Nti me body wear we pe na me be wedding pe na me akọ.
Wow.
Papa no akakọ.
All right. Kelvin, o kan say o papa fimi edu be bi ne say because of papa fimi ti na ya for dream na yes na. At what age now papa film?
Pacho, me papa film when I was 15 years.
When you were 15?
Yes.
Wow.
So 3 years the year na Nana Dankwa president odi no anadwo na how much na de echi na
when you buy na anadwo na papa nso ko e
pacho.
Wow. Quite unfortunate. But to bet me aka say no enya effect be was so e bi anka now papa gusu te ase the support would have been different ana.
Pacho eno de enya any effect on me because sometimes no situation be amaka coffee mun me papa on feel happy with me because me piska e dia koya ade a bia na o hwe sport o say me wa adam kum so me ko hwe sport nti so hu say we be different not to is likely say the all ye no o buana but sometimes we find it difficult we be go up papa or a street man we go nti no say that time I free no like me some small opportunity to me to turn nya maybe me
unya freedom kakra
to turn alumi bi ni nti won say uko baby na we adwuma
Joshua abracho your bravo o turn alumi kakra na ade ase be ya
me tin ko Israel na makoso alumi efio e de aba fie.
Wow.
Me better.
I mean therefore yeah bon come way na what die bia don't be discouraged and found a situation now woman and keep pushing it a bit me because how many of us at this level ubet me nya akukudro nkra say but I see many suni me die soon and I want to achieve this. If I bet me I join you on Facebook yeah can say Oshe ne garage was say baby and my media man na any materials they grew on there and then the car no so on the side. We're showing videos. Yeah, cause any videos no show to wait me share on Facebook. I know ya Adom 106.3 FM na one said the Kelvin garage or here any car no said they are manufactured near the na Oshe car no door no crown there. I said Tesla the any be yeah. But Kelvin, mami bisa ever since news of Okaya wa building a buy and it is everywhere on the internet. People are talking about you near the now. And you be when you call be now visit be from Mpenufo mama say oh we be a dear we there who say bibi o mutino ye pese ye boa na ye tawo chima utimi ye maybe on a larger scale yetimi e boa po develop e ma ko training bi say be abetimi aye no wine more
yeah mpacho ai nkofo bebre afre me akachem so they want to help e bi muti say KN University my friend say nka yen from be meeting apostle kojo safo me papa ono so afre me ba esisi ano nkofo bebre na afre ti afi na me boss ehwe na odi bibia to akwem ama yetimi ni impenifo we mu ni na Asia
for the woman say Kelvin eba no only there's two other guys can who I believe say omo ye no workers e won the garage abran say na sha say I don't know omo workers won the garage wa oniom edim komo kwasi ye mic yi na many abran TV so nkasa na ye hwe abrante it is say
ayo
na your friend say
Kenneth Asma
na eba ne say na obehia Kelvin a o sha ase ne ye adwuma mo working on this car.
The time I went to his house and I saw
on country on
David. The time I went to his house and I saw him building the car and I said, oh, that's nice. So let me help him small. And I told him I want to build mine. And he said, oh, you should stop mine and should come to him and we start working. Yeah.
Okay. Mami nya dwuma ketua bi wa homa no so mra na fe wi a minimum mra metwa so e studio as we speak now, your honorable Gifty Chum Ampofo, your deputy minister of education, she's on the line now. Yenhwe say ebia ono so ewo bibia input be on this very subject here. Honorable, good morning.
Good morning, Joseph.
Now me pacho empomo to say
I don't know.
You the science I can't want my journal pay now. With the Yannick Kelvin, you goose watching Comafa, the invention in Juana, what baby Pimano pay now. The Dick I want not to say anything.
That's a Jerry. Yamian is better. So we exam and now we a snack and cook. You said I should not in the policy. And she knew anything but me, the food for me. Say, he is a once again, honey. Your catch particular, near no one you cut a second. Look to her, put it in the behind the internal state teacher child. Then who pays my say, and education makes corporate within this year.
Honorable Patrol, who wouldn't ye kakra my ass a line breaky kakra.
I won't.
Tano kakra my name is a bear. Ever fun, sir.
Aha. You need to be here. I am one of the way I used to. It's not the pre with this year, but it has been to make a same behavior. Now, I know we are saying here. Now, the career and covered here in a little corner. Now, she's nearly covered in a seminary. Now, you see, what's that for? So, you need to be more up to speak a car. Now, you hold institutions that you're not there and Mako. More you can be never to send me what you need, send your own best part to do and go to the day. Now, what you combine ideas. Your way of bicycle, your way of motor. What do you mean now? I'm going watching your financial concern. That's what I said, and you need to do. Like I said, color you used to always see it, you know. Yes, you consider the previous knowledge. You wouldn't be a uniform. You consider me now, but it's not place in you. Now, you're supposed to say, or 10 who say, and your apprentices. And you are the crew, the depends on you be a woman, and your brother will get the proper intention, and your brother apprenticeship. It's not this in you. Now, the developer, they be a talent, you be a talent. The developer talent to know what is each skill. Said they are a good to me, a calling minimum of Piano. There were one among and no more among the near manner, one year. Such as a Ghana, your war, and you have a tear in Crimea, and between your coin. When you say, let's say a brand a man says, Mount Castle, a medium for you to come, and you'll be a little. True placement may have you. Sabbath will be yesterday, baby. Technical, if you want to go in this year, they are paid who are. Open and anyone will be one year now, and you didn't get the system. And what a principle must be. Now, manage me according abroad, the Pian or Warner. Means you know, Ministry of Education and the content. I'm right at 3 million. They're drinking, said they are between among David. I want to be a brand new. You but you one month or Bukundi. I am right. The seed this year, and more wood. The best house where I'm a one that company. They intend to go. Lindsay, the baby, necessary. You want to mean. All right. You want to and go at drinking for the second half. So in the castle of the year.
Great.
And you know, the crowd it's more than and so this all of the 1 year on my eye into the cafe in my
all right. Okay.
We hear you a bit here and
all right. You. All right, we better was for this beautiful input this morning. That's it here. Sharing with you. I am now told that politicians no say yeah, Facebook say e be do or na fe na e ba we dey anybody achi na ya hwa say bibia be kose dey what can ya na e say
Prem Kranka, those you better contact.
Okay. All right. Okay. That's good. That's good. Yeah, that's it.
Only months you as I said, spirit
sure.
Yeah. All
right. You. Okay. Yes, yeah, that's it. All right. Okay. You, Honorable Gifty Chumampofo, and I attend Kano, Deputy Minister at my education. Na wakasa na line a hard drink, but I think say the Okaino, yes, so many upper, not just say almost what Kelvin and Ka, the oye, but main focus now, no, and say a bit me ashana, na disuano sweat me a conquer, and then Kobasi bia. Or you we intina fi ubabi JJ muani adia now placement kranya mi intino say a kobase placement bani adia ye hwe level no ne baby e ne fa e betimi aboa na yetimi developing more na ne talent ye woni mu no enkonkonko so kwa so keke na e betimi atumpon na kona benefit na banaba o mamuni na so no and we are very important. So this week here yesimu ya no omo behwe no mo contact mo na mo ne mo madam mo ne mo akasa na ya hwe the way forward and e kwan betimi afa so aboa na education wise no ubetimi ato aso akoso because I was even going to come there say abra na oguso awo yes ade we na no because it take time and what me all these things we near adaje a untimi ye and at the same time you need to stick to your books and learn. Yes I want our exams so nti mami so exams here atwe ohun so there oh yeah sure say ko yi girl me so now balancing is saying to make time for this and then make time for your books no.
Pacho say mi kusku na say teacher tradia I make sure say I'll pay attention to the teacher na ma observing the oyen sometimes no I remember myself when the actions of the teacher inti say your class me pay attention pa and me so me answer questions me say teacher tradia na say me tiasia me pijama sa na me answer question inti say me ye hori na say me bafia na fe de makọ back to the me no so inti no that time no mission dey na say me bibia ria me run fast come market that time na me ko ye djuma akopi skadi abetwa edjuma ne so inti ye sanyama we ni na kan inti say na oka say mission dey no and also sometimes no say me hwe na say my free kakra amachi no na mafa book na ma revise we no inti about science ni pretech ni maths ni na me yade kakra.
Oh okay. Kelvin mame wa ha ye ne mame so be kasa kakra na ansa na ye ne mame be kasa Kelvin mame bisa motorbike engine out the year okay. I can see them show video na mu say car no reverse but any motorbikes then no reverse gear and you o dey no yende
pacho me su motorbike a royal engine but engine is shame no royal abubu ya gearbox na ya shame
okay so engineer bike engine but the gearbox now connected to no abubu ya which no dey what reverse gear because me mu say car no reverse na motor engine there akwai dream so power say by card bet me reverse that's nice young call Kelvin mama so no so you need go anka madam Abigail Pedi ya mo akwa ba na empomuti say
Christo Adom
eti say Kelvin ajibo bia ni ade being the mother no how is the feeling like
wow
na ka Kelvin wan asem kakra che fini mo fra bremu abra na wonyi ni ade de boy nkomo kakra
Kelvin odata Cruikshank oye meba na akwala na o sha ase no wo se ade ani woni mu o started with milk chains empty containers na ochucha no ya de na odiesi ho in fact me dem mu de metimi kwa na bibia wo me na me obi a ade wo me ya na me ya pa enti no oya ade no nso onye no abonten o tumu sa ade no ya wo se nkola ade anka omo ya anka due bi ase a ne yeye so peso ye wo dem nti oye wo ho tie prame anya ni easy oya ade na gusu ye na nkwala na wareas ni hu se ade na oye ni I don't know na nkwala na ba ye ka mami ye ka mami at the age of 10.
Wow.
Enti o start ye oye sa ade nyoma no first oye aeroplane etukoso na ode fan moto na eye ade no nti ade ni tu na beto fem na eya ohwe ntimi nkoso se ne opese eko satan ne papa ti asenti no ye kire ne papa ba enti no oya sani o mane sa na fe dia o start say o mu ye bi the exhibitions school exhibitions no mu kwa na school na ko wini enti no oba se ma ante a wini na mesre no in fact the oya ni na mi oya me kanya nse onto ne boase na nka yenhwe ni school mu na ade so oya kwala bia so ode ade to na koma so say oya even me the mother no mean to me stop no ukase de obeka mi ade so waya ade no ewie ansa enti menene de fia yeti mu no bia anim maboni din abo me pese me besua ade no ko anim because me ma me no mentimi ankodo echire enti me bibia ewo book mu me ni bidie so kakra bia menya no enti me de push mu because esi papa no onye de onti ase enti no osati ka we no kacha ni say edu time akwakoye we exam so wodu JSS dey SSS anyoma we dey all drop na o ma disua na ye o mo but still no utimu nsa akoma na ye den na edina bedu say no
wow na wanga zakana watch na mu dey o do atwatwa you take akra
papa kano mi fie na wo but mintimenti name because unim ka asem mi wo mi una mi da pa
2% that dey be beti kra
2% that dey be beti
and be obena are you smooth fine wow but Emma just said what touch on the fact say opese ne woman sua no so school sem no ekọ anim yi I think say no very important I say the now honorable kan ikra na enye say we ni bedidi ni trimu ana fi obe me bode ka sa wantimi ensua ade anko na nimu enya nimde no so mo a entimi ma on toaso na onye de opese oye. Now Kelvin, let's look into the future. Sisi you know say nyame ya adom na results bana wabo homoden na unya akwenya etwaso ekosku with this vision no den na opese o achieve opese impempe so ben sa na opese what this invention you could do
mpacho pese say me school na say me akwari knowledge na mitimi fa build ka organa na like they say companies with say kantanka companies na like yemfa boy yenkofo no more because say sa production eba Ghana I believe say Ghana be chindi because sa honum side no you to know any other people are interested in some ba obi nkofo we also omunye edwuma and so bia na onye edwuma like oni sanu like skills bia e be more skills no but because say they didn't try to bring it out into am like they are looking on other businesses to do but like saying kasa we ni on manka ebe boama you to know obia be edwuma hard achieve sa position say okay mizum pese miwe it afede nkwala no obia be bibi eno sa no e man nkwala bebre ebi mu nyinyim ebi mu nkofa drugs oh evani sa now we are all having some intention of going to the future you know una time crap on drinking sa nyama always no busy planning because obi dey need about you want to bring something out yeah it me bompa say akwenya we ba na say nyame boa ne ebie kwan a metimi di aye bibisa ama aboa oman no
okay Kelvin so oboduam kakra me o kasa no o kan say itimi ye ne kudu level bi ti say kantanka mo de no ne ade a na make say ye wo eye Kojo Safo Junior CEO of Kantanka Group on the line na ye ne ono so kasa na ye engine input kakra Kojo Safo Junior good morning.
Morning
na bomu ti say
me adaro maboko na mo
nyame adom yenso ye ho ye anopei na Kelvin ena Yegusu and then Chichunkomo. I think sir, I saw a comment from you, if I'm not mistaken. Emma say you would love to meet this guy. I think I read somewhere or will be posted.
Yes. I think the amount for tagging me a couple of times on the Twitter and the Instagram. I can say the person is Shana. I'm almost sending a number at my call for say and come friend on my pedana on Bremy.
Wow. But what is of what's the news no? And then as you saw the car being driven around here, I don't know. First impression, not to say.
I was happy because I'm the Kroma. The one time who be bisa ewa hanamu.
Yeah.
Nikuni padona na motadi a kunkune nyama But I know I'm saying we're calling him kakra. We're taking a bolder step than what other people do. You know, me who ya na me who a lot no matter brave or a shining na me ya na say oh akola here. Obeying a lot of mentoring, but you know me who ya no man transfer crowd me to information network one thing. You know I'm saying. This week, I'm getting my mom and call for assignment and say I'm coming here no, now come on for no embra. It's a project I want to start in this country by going around all the regions. Then I can pick up talents. Then I'll make it very competitive and see how I can bring the best out of Nkolana or my animal.
Wow. Anyway, tell us more about this initiative you are present because the entire country now who identify talent to be able to see.
Okay.
How is it going to be like?
Okay, what I'm planning to do is something because she share now the person me say also that and there be a share TV3 and other stations no. Amount for diasa near amount for tunyum near market talent. Or mine be a almost see and you hear Nipo multimedia margin cabo multimedia monsa ayoma. Technology is and now the most valuable company in the world no is Osha free Apple ne Sanko for Sika Muninya. It all comes from technology. Into the margin say Matna me have a shame. The Machi Afa all the regions of Ghana. But I'll work with the radio stations who want to work with me on it. Now, I should share in Kola, more interested in doing things with your hands. But then again, I know Biana said you never born no man. I didn't in India or to me inside Juma or go to the night and going to be fun inside any. And you know, I want to pick all those talents, try and build teamwork within. Amongst them, and let them know so do how any man at Chedia so ordinary with me from the Sanye. Obo also a man at Chedia so to me the Saye. Obo also a born no man and sat Chedia no to me the Sunday the Nina Bia. It's you know, you have call all the regions into when we come back. I a very short listing. Now my competition, I'll keep them all in the house. Now my competition to don't know only big I don't really know. So if I have to further the person's education in Ghana or outside Ghana, I'll sponsor the person. If I have to let the person work with the companies, I'll bring the person on board. And it's just a way of me helping people I meet me. Abo asebi when you nipa omo amai mu nyina na nyame bo omo se na me papa abo amia asebi me yes should I say it's the best way for me to also help other people like omo so wo krom hanamo.
Wow, that's nice. That's nice. That was for our initiative. But now, brought back to Kelvin Day. It's as soon as possible. Yansana sa de okay, best start here rule. You know, the time being Kelvin Day, you know, BBM what be Timiaba from
of course
Kantanka Group.
Of course. What I want to do is also. A lot of handmade vehicles. You know, also Shane on why now. Yeah, for the past 5 years, different types. So on the internet now, check here. You find some. Even on my personal Instagram pages, you find a few of those. I was very happy when I saw that. You know, but there's a lot are able to me as a channel. We all say to get it on a commercial scale, there's a lot he has to learn, and I'm willing to teach him on that. Until now, offering me any DP, Kelvin, any that's what my I don't know. And also on my focus and focusing on more. So of a phone. What he has to do is to do a lot of research into sports cars or into different cars, learn into different types of, if anything, aluminium plates, aluminium sheets, carbon fiber. Yeah, maybe bro, one man make me actually akulema with me on also be in Shiraba and the Madabusia for.
Any way the besha na ya link up na fi you said the no so be see akwa na now Ministry of Education so omo ye interested so besha na ban na disua side ho no so na oma ho no so enkam na obetimi esua de akọ nanim. So I think say with a combination of the two no ebetimi aboa na ma
this talent is not someone said okay, Ministry of Education can sponsor with money. But this child, he's a born handmade, crafter. So what is it? I call it there. Or I can say,
that's right. I love that. I love that.
Theory, and that God-given talent, down. And that is something that I don't want to encourage in this country.
Okay. All right. Could you have Junior? Me and Dawasi. Send them DK. Be sure near link up na fi hu. Baby be sure say EDF. Dawasi plan up iso.
My team is been Dawasi.
All right. Could you have Junior? Yes, CEO the Mark and Tanker Group or no? And I ne etwetwe and komo sisia no. Etike o baby ade ne kono. Kese. Kese. Na couple unso your friends on need the same.
Actually need the Eric Udate Cruikshank artist.
Only on the family, right? And all the only friend. And you know the way I am now, so let me support him.
Yeah.
So you are learning from him.
Yeah, and I also check whether the engine is if it's having wrong, like the engine's not working well, so I'll check. Yeah.
Okay, Kelvin, question about could be one know me team and person bizarre earlier crana. Junior after fixing everything, brakes because the car with me and to know kwana if you question. Brakes, how did you work on the brakes?
But your first of all, no, yes, you know. Braking was a very big problem, my because
fast with the end you
that time now you need to better brake pot. Into no, before I say be do junction, maybe a T junction, be a bit careful. Time I trying, or say the to reverse. It's free. You're going now you go do another to reverse.
Oh my goodness. But as I'm now can say no, very interesting. It takes Obia what driving manual car pain to understand or appreciate what he's saying. Okay, and imagine cause. I mean, if you are driving a manual car, now say a do baby now brakes a hard that strategy now use you. Into no one day person clutch now the share racer. A quite easy guy was a boy. Now what about that idea is obey me and have to stop the car.
Pacho, if it's a no, Misha say Nankasano. Na demand say metri. It's Madame Fubi, your friend no, or Emini Ankasa.
Yeah,
a friend no, junior Eminia, or Ibusim, or Yade, like, oh no, or sa, we know Mutu say, if I'm a girl, listen, Yamano, or you're very interested in it. It's first on a first person, or best parking engine, Mamia, or no sooner, or first person, Uchi differ coin. So it's that time, no, and that time, my papa na obuamino, ni parents, bafio, so Muka chess, and we say if you ni nana, yen fakano, and quiffy. Into ye two kana ye de con on a first person, or the tree, or Uchi the coin.
In all this now started in, you didn't know how to drive.
Yes, I did because that time I'm new driving and I'm driving so I'm new driving because Misha say no me the car nankasa and driving because me here we fear kakra nkra nti ono na oba ya we ka say oh kwa unite kakra fi crotch ni so na fi de utie ja so nti ono na like ona o mam sa ideas no ema me hu say okay sisi a engine we enye strong intino wo kwa afede wo say wo kakra wa change gear dia to ase kakra nti ono so no in charge of say engine no a movie and a function of the engine no spark no obobi ni guy name obobi bandini junior ono so ye honum side no or very good honum mpacho.
Wow, you go so ne Kelvin e din komo fan ka wan but mami bisa question we me pacho anye bia no, are you looking forward to having your beautiful family house unye sika kakra so be pursue that masters degree program na o ka na atete apansam no yetete wo no pese unya lo bi na de talk afoforo what I say enema o pese wo ya watu aheda because of money no ene akwanya aba e de amount ni na ene say UMB controller loan yeah no ebetimi abo ye pa yeah no ememo watimi akọ wanimu ye na sa UMB controller loan we no government workers ne ade betimi ahwe a secure loan for up to about 150,000 Ghana cedis in less than 48 hours yeah no timi say competitive interest rate pa and the more na we payable in up to 48 months na watimi ahwe na ode ate e de afio eni bomodin say on UMB ebedin kita 0302 633 988. Yes, I'll be me afraid to free 0800 100 880. Best send a WhatsApp as well 0266 020 400 for more information. Now also what me enya eya kwenya agisike e dia tretre ushim na bibia akoye. Calvin yede enkomo no beba wie na ansa na yede ebesi no de asem na obepese obeka che Ghana man nyina na obi bia oti usabre
pacho de me pese me kan se pese me some motivational words e de ma ye youth no because very hard and some of the people that are having this talent in Ghana and Nankasan, we find it very difficult, and especially our rural areas. No, my bre because Padiana Edia Edding, Obiwa Shop Bina Kodia, they are thinking say we are conform. No, my youth know or perso BB crap and Yama Winina is in the coin Unisika, but I want to motivate them that they should stay strong, they should fight hard and make sure that their dreams should come true. And secondly, no, me that media now omo ebe interview me with school first no especially UTV they were the first people who came and interview me and because of that now I trending so despite group of companies any Adom station no pacho media sida kese emamuni na medamas.
All right, yes we da wase nti said the aye no penifo eni o makasa nyina no ye behwe na ya link bibia na omonso eno akasa na fi ya hwe bebia emwa no ebeto aso e de akwakodu why nti no koso ana ekura eye woni su ade hunu menyam kura why all right usutie Dwaso Nsem Adom 106.3 FM na said ekeka kono ye de besia na I am hoping and I'm believing and I'm trusting say Penifo and Yoma Kasa nyina na ade no yebe toaso ne Yoma Kasa behind the scenes na ahwe na all the promises na ade ni na no etimi akoso na we love to see say Kelvin be take this to a different level, a whole new level cry.
Adom FM 106.3, Ghana's most authentic radio station. Top.
Odo bejami wa kwenchima anopa 6 abo. Me do bejami wa kwenchima. Obe me bye 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 bye. Nama die. Oko.
And you will come out with Yasan.
Oko. All day I got fire. Michelle Park and Vamico. And Yamico. Me do. All day I got fire. Michelle Koto Vamico.
Say when him say your bank for life, me check GCB bank. A more instant card. Yes. Yes, I think I'll do details about Babe Joe card. Pick and cry now. Now I Joe there. What transact here conveniently. Or COVID Raymond. Yes. With an instant card issued by GCB Bank. We make payment while shopping online, while we draw cards. On submit me a mini statement and more with GCB cards. They say you don't have to wait for another day to collect your bank card. Just some few minutes now on Saka or GCB card. Our GCB branch, I hold on in your name. Say a MasterCard, Visa, Union Pay International, GCB, Ready Card, EasyWitch cards. Nina, get it right when you apply for it. Right there now. Now on Saka, which me are transacting on the over 300 plus GCB ATMs nationwide. And I feel so other banks, ATM, I feel POS machine, and a merchant point I hold on in your name. Plus online for your international purchases and payment. Apply for your GCB card today. GCB cards, an instant or as instant as now. GCB, your bank for life. I cannot breathe, can't find nobody to hold. Ebesha ko wakra tanimu and na holiday in Sambe no mo kekanka. Atwa butantimu ha. Twinanim kama pa ne ade a. Atona no. The holiday the udi ni pa. Yeah, fun ku no. Our fun work up pa to be say holiday udi ni mu odzen. But when him say epra bebre ya tasisi you know ayata esi e ofie bo no obi adidem obi epra obi ese obi kohwe na ahwease kakra bi na course ofie na akwa sa de na ba especially for eye mofra and afi older adults emo and until na no pay your mouth 5 tips ye betimi ama wa prevent ahwease e ofie especially sa COVID-19 pandemic era imu ya amount for do na e wo fie udi san hye so ebetimi abo apa make sure say of floss nyina a be clean from water detergent any other form of grease near man say the be ya untia na apacho amwate ahwe na e pay special attention to staircases. Make sure say staircase nina e hand raised the obeso sumu na odi afro na obeso sumu di esane no and also e come pa na fence no where you see gates both at the top and then the bottom of the staircase I hold on say more fry or one more now one making sure that gates and they are locked all the time. I feel to make sure say or shower no very safe. Use to non-slip rubber mats na effort to or bathroom ho said be ya and my own patre intention e wa bra wudware. I feel may allow a more friend under 6 years say omo ebe climb it and part and no more there be bands na wan hwe na or participate na e dey asem na eba your life said the etieno Sikabia Timinto, NTSO Timisha now Bohombe. Some message way it is powered by the Ghana Chamber of Mines. With me, acquire your website www.ghanachamberofmines.org for more information. Atria
Jerry,
now any moon to say
Adom.
Yeah, can you do it now? Kuwakata, then buy that holidays are a bit more on one. I almost the designer there.
Say, bro. Boys and girls are bread
and easy.
Yes, I know a job on penny for
oh my
a job on penny for so a job on penny for so the ananya a graphic and yeah, no, I say a and I fear now.
I call you an open you idea and I can never say Yanko Okuni. Almost a day.
And the Boncrasa no abba, Cacron Beba name Penny Forno, and a buyer, and a daily guide, Eddie Womwati. nti daily guide na aja o yeso obebo nkonko ni bia
okay
penifo
all right
na daily graphic kita mi enra fellow Ghanaians
okasai
Ghana mampani enra this is a good for you ko hwe ntuma ni di ba for you o papa ntuma ni di no hwe bra papa ntuma no fellow Ghanaians papa no eno ntuma no o
ntuma din de menya de ho kra me de an se mapo bia
bra for you sa na make na
kwayo hwehwa ntuma ni din mai na
because one for mantama me ametu ni din ntoma
Ready is Tigo. For so brava. Montisha fellow Ghanaians and 2 money my not 200 mo ready my
farmer. Me am Trinity. Wa me dem hesa de design and see me preju.
Na Thomas ade. Ene ga nya na hwene mpu.
Say me peja Thomas nam dia to mo pekasa mo remra. Na jare yemfro say wa say. Eno a omampani kasa ye no. De aba ne say yes say sports activities aside be piem.
From the 30th of October. Ombeshe League na say.
Yo Ombeshe League okay. And I yes league as no so man penny say yes I say no ntina saa na mo beja gum saa o. There be o say e wo hwa brano no. E wo so mo ye compulsory test. Ne hwe say teams no any players no obi atiapo. If we say ye can say English Premier League e France mboa.
Yeah.
Bundesliga ye
omudwe gumu ane.
And La Liga dem say mayo.
Asa Syria ne wan for no
any La Liga they say La Liga de ne
ba September imu ne de omu nyina bebu asimu anu no omu nyina bebu asimu na ye
Spanish league
your friends Scottish Premiership no so sa ne that
Eredivisie na omo kasa omo ti ball na se no English Premier League ne ade ndom matete asi
omo abu asimu
na enra pa mehwe ayi Chelsea ne Liverpool die na pa se league pan ye bona chale enkonwa su nyina da
La Liga o ma sha se Samuel Giato kama mzisi ya also asha se La Liga so asha se
okay ene na say Ghana Premier League yenso ye bounce back
Sky me that's why
chawa ya boss ya pa
he's still my boss
I never understand your boss as ene no close I said dan halal
oh yeah no so he said they are 9 there so
there's cruise me boy mama near from oh boss me my no the farm and they say sports activities ye back and ye France yes ano a o mampani say nose mask she as so face mask no ye mandatory and e was say yes no so sa and say and 2020 elections no so de ensuo to ewiabo to an ebeto ebeba so na GCPP the Great Consolidated Popular Party woman so akọ elections no ama Dr. Dan Henry Lati ono ene akwakoyi no Dan Lati ne bawo ne ba Henry Lati also say
Matiso ono na chairman ene ono na say flag bearer
ene ono na say say popular acclamation the man no so we can one the third time 10 times or they call flag bearer no eni na one was in some ne manifesto no say na no silent manifesto ne kan ho eyemienu domestication
that's it domestication there ne papa sha say na say no mu anom kura o
ne papa legacy no nya nto domestication na industrialization and see ye dua de woni ye die ne ade no eno eye ne fapem na afen so ye mfiridwuma ye beti no no kura de wo say NPP for there one district one factory no was so mutwe enti ye to abama and no de obe building on that policy ne papa enti mfidi juma wunya no enti Dr. Henry Lati wate asim enti no osaka bibi na no o launch manifesto no osaka say no osaka titi om see 1 billion cedis no old cities no 100,000 Ghana cedis. Yeah, you say your family registration at ECG no. A binum send board, none board they say obetia. Wasu obetia. Frisanan when this if walk cry, koye one more primary see chromo charge 400,000. 400,000 no kwate so at about 300 na odu kra party crowd o dia ba na o national eyina yese betua 1 million watobra enti wo si wo betua ne board enti wo betua no and I want say filing fee ya isi de ba yen and e kasa no APC reference ayarkof
yeah
Ariko for say ne boarding ye pese ye chinchim enkrofo nsa emma wo mo nyansa ne ewo mutim na wo mo nimdie no wo mo ni sika e mo kotena baabie e na isi pese was fasa akwan so no wo pesika e de to ne foto mo say dabi ye ti wei sika ye de be ye adwuma no e your minor said de oman no apay sika ma ye dada enti nya sa charge no a filing fee ni agina so de ayehwe
so boduam kakra bi be san to aso na menya adwuma kitua bi ahoma no so say o kai awuraba yi a mai say opese onene de ya also on pre do baby also there next ni
no NHI
o mo boss no Dwaso Smith sa by one na sa case no who say voices pm by na ba ku bia na notable pie abra no ye senka o manfa na yin no so I say let me you know my me friend interested in na me dey about
so I'll just sack. Or even if you want, let me just lick your vagina.
Manager, it's not good.
Let me lick. If I lick, I'll be okay.
Manager, it's not good.
No, let me
it's
lick.
Not good. It's not good.
Let's sit over there.
It is no good. Abayo answer it is no good. One so there. For we there very early in the morning with this lake. But said the idea, you know, say near the kaka mazin kaka. I think about yeah park so aduani you know di no si na. Why? Okay, inti Dorian Smith wa man so no entry come. Dorian, good morning.
Good morning.
Me patron what to say? Okay, Dorian we there yeah, kaka ho kakra case here by ye yes sexual harassment issue na yenim say asem no eguso police for nsemu a na omuguso a edi ho juma afi dia ba be piem say ene say case no ya withdraw from the police say on pursue case ni biem enokrom anase nokrenim
Nekwa mimi America ase ye culture me said here dana ye call regional commander na say 20 days na ka was say ye call biom I think before ye ban lawyer ba ko the PM ye friend Victor or kaje me friend barrister Victor Glover you know ono bed na assembly na watching say here ya the back of sama in the beba and I'm saying and no o ma me di e hono mo ya di number man and I association number so man but with the district commander and the minimum contact with manfa mano na ono ni o mo communicate and no ono catch them say only almost 28th July na ebe kono o catch them say only regional commander na kasa ama regional commander say oma post the incident they will call us to come incident ban sa no ya tuni on conservative region inti edu baby no as me so ye me online said it they will me many kakra and now me try say ye be ma me say e bia ene anot na ye be kokko na ya kwa akọ I feel okay say nkrofo no sakara ne nkrofo na afre na they are so pleading na the Osho regional commander ne kasa mo say or side sakara mo no udi ono no onye obi a ye betumi ayede aso no. Now they have even proposed money. Into no chamber no any motive of staff no they are very annoyed with such case. And so they even draw a agreement, a document to be. And now, on councillor, me, you they call Havana Ready. Emma, Sakara, ni for the signing. Me, man, signed it because I wasn't in part of the agreement. Sana, thanks for me, me. And so, no one, my business, and I don't know for me. Or catch himself only or the letter, Amma, so they should issue arrest, no more cheap Sakara and arranging for court. I said, I mean, shall see your compare what is Sakara, and it's one as I didn't explain me. I'm also married to the 2 withdrawal letter. And I said, withdrawal letter for what? Or say for many cancer to the radio, minimum shame. Emma may be fire. Papa no, in cancer no. Maybe Saturday assembly institution or can we chat if in fact, I do, I didn't. It's me can't say I didn't send offer the chief commander and I'm done it. Now, my friend, because me are custom for the siyasi. Into me friend the chief commander no sir. Yanchi Sakara be for what? Because Sakara see or my settled me. And I'm say settled me for what? Because me she is from home. No, I'm not saying 15,000 a month a cancel no. Emma or no catch and say Sikana Sakara he used it against them in court. The Sakara said truly, oh yeah, they didn't all cattle into way no or they use it against them. I say, no one man I think that's Sakara brand. And also, we from a regional NHIS for so Mimi Rebuke, and I'm saying, this time, and this take cancer, or catch and say. On file, let's say, for national NHS head office. I'm a cockatoo and say, let her know more is invalid. And I'm see you. I say, I did me only a commit a son before my summer. Me only a going to my younger son, Mr. Tinsel, for into not make a reporting case for a Bachelor police station. Emma, me not me money time, which is the day. Me and then I'm not police phone. It's no John, if I had the motto back 10, and I did choose what the Mamoto will. And I had seen it in the fall, but now. That's why I didn't fall a community 11 police station. I was a man, and I hear about but now, because Mama report to her. And I'm a flare, this is command and catching. Let's not put on minimum shade. Make sure let her be sign a shade, no shade. Into no move on to the and I see Sakara Muslim petition Attorney General. Into Attorney General so about the document on our action. Into me and if they are on best friend, me say if they are on this day, a better quarter. Now me so happy. Now Papa na yet for Bachelor police station. Yet 2nd of this month, September 2020. And now, police officer or my media or Modern Court. I think that's the for me for no more and I'm paying the park of cannot still. On the say evidence na intact. Or my friend Sakara say, he can be now to one thing. Also, on him, he can be our shame. And the friend, Mr. But I just wanted to be sure, say, some person must say this style, music and money and send them on the back. Miss Rena on let's have fine or catch him from the park of Prince. They said police funny from to be sure, sir. They cannot say they are and they should bring evidence, statements of payment. Yeah, from move some basic. Emma, fake lawyer, no, Wakako police statement, and they are police station. Now, share statements of payments now, not just on 15,000. And as Sakara Mutu on most of my 3,000. What I mean was she. Almost any
Doreen, Mammy Mizao. Enti wono Ankasana assembly for no. Sikabi payment be about one chain.
but the you be I mean issue me kra no fake lawyer no kwa waje me 1,007
wasan fa ho age 1,700 a few o chen
say me transfer ni oni me director customer me transfer ba akra e na dan a baby a me kwa akote oni obi akasa wo ho into some new station there was a rent it waje me 1,007
me ba o ye nhwa de sa latest development we know ususu say why pan the tech say betimi aba say asem we fa wo ho and then a bet turning around about be do some pempenso e say wo no what withdraw case no e wa bra wa make demands be such an amount has been paid for you e ban send it me say
nada mbacho if I put them me hu ni ameka be a lawyer no he will be the best person to the fake lawyer no he will be the best person to explain that
it says a fake lawyer and say oh when
one grant me bill on no for no no police guy you know about or see any time you be free for court they will call him to come every morning you call report to a police station.
Okay, so now when are they gonna call you? A brief number from says you better free case ni bi say be ya on be man sa fake lawyer be.
As at now, Papa, I need to mention because I think the first week, Anika say, may charge him, Papa, no, because I can't tell a lawyer or your lawyer. And I was trying to see me, I didn't mean to car. I said, I was going to make the nail court. Into the following week, I'm going to say Tuesday, yeah, the never court. Tuesday, I came, another Tuesday, I came. And to me, when I was worried, said, yeah. Adiana call me unity na into me call the friend the adding na case no check because a 2 for no I say we no withdrawal letter no dey call no omo kwa for dey call NHI ama papa no kwa ejuma papa ni
it is say papa na me bawo papa na o haraze wo no because of that withdrawal we no dey call now he has been released or no all year na adwuma
mpatwa
hey
and I me transfer no kra no me say kra me ho so
wow and you are telling me that till now no omuntimi nche when next time on be san fra asem no
mpatwa dey
oh how
mama I worry with
okay me ba it say no asem no ye fa no say fake lawyer na say ya che na ya money bill or reporting on every morning bia no eno no police station ben
Bachona
police station okay all right ye bedi achi na ya hwe said de eno so esi ekwefa na fe ya hu when na on be fra asem no court na ya hu eno de kosi ye na ya hu the authorizing ne say on trust our withdrawal letter no fan conquer withdraw case no if you are amase say man no mumu no ono mumu anya ne fa hu de eye na adwuma na wo so ho eguso chiro seti ye be hwe no achi na de be si bia no ya san ba ho why
that's it
all right wow oh my Ghana ensem sisiu
Ghana na yeti no
na bi I mean how say obi asem ono asem ne fa no ho no eni mu hwe na another lawyer so you find say you or a fake lawyer ono atimi afa chire akọ letter akọ withdraw case no say unipa kono am make demands bi say your man say sika we dia you tuama no agi say sika no e wa breast ka no nuge no ama man afa no ye na adwuma
me ba o na se court kro ne ade enso ampa hunu
se
nipa na nkasa complainant no
nipa ne we
ai baby sansa madam na sa na minim se court ye bia duro ye se ne asem ye ka no ampasa wo na wo ka ntwam
ne mi ntwa no somewhere was it 2013 or 2012 ho baby na me call Ghana Music Awards me see so hospital road me kosa branch bi kwan finfin me suavo yes me konaka bia mfim anim side but me kofa that side say no call me say me sam achi aba say wasan san achi aba me ni na me kan kwa kowura agatem me timi suave na ma car no side mirror and a pimono. It's drivers ever na ginger no masa we dey struggle ya we dey baby be ko bia e be defend it no me dey to car mom cross and follow me head neko general hospital after dey akwaya ko doctors wa omo bizan say masa ye hwe say wa bo say tam omo bizan say masa he fa na atyo so high as a classroom it doctors ni na ka say no akwa na wa bo too much ni ade etimia na me hwe ni tuatua bills ni ade na awie ye hwe obi anka be matenten o ka be bo wa na wanimu ebebo wanimu aka o hwe nese tu etui ka driving mirror so na ebo o ti eti me am ye bibia awie na later no say corridor case no ye dey in na awie I went to the police station with him on one kasa ka ho bi ene e ko no no aso oh my from that day I didn't me am from so about one wa hwe me atua hospital bills na me sin no one akọgba ma me bibia enti no say dey me ho ye enti no ye baby case nephew on one kasa obi and sign. So how come say case like this sexual harassment BBI is recorded by one timinya ade by papa yi card ye na ne ade na and then obi betimi afechi
abase nipa no say ono ate ase wajiska enti mu withdraw case no me empendodo amede akoko to dem yankasa obi asem bia na fa me ho ne ade a nipa ne kwa withdraw case they say am court to say nipa ne megina ho e fra asem ne bia ma nipa ne begina ka asem na me say enti me nim ti a ye betumi ayi asem
ese etimi hwe ne ma bia o manu apa
kokromoti power they say the campaign no emu ayesi o e na promises no so ebo
ba na ba say fifi ne
manifesto no ye ready power na ba ko bi apie one this die num eye say won besisi mortuary ewo zongo communities na me sometimes say for your form che free ana
say on the fast connection
so o call manifesto no
o wa that community dey na your man no dey ho
manifesto no mo zongos and deprived areas settlement na one ade and show as your besisi mortuary na zongos dey dem say kramofo your form che free gym to ko si mortuary wana as yeah, come and
wow. Anyway, your fancy now. Yamfa as that can say my prosperous or boy my day na post na possible.
One thing is accident.
Yeah.
I was here you.
Yeah.
Weekend now what cheap and yasem ketwa. What is that can quench and quadra say offense can quench. Quadra mako and the woo.
Yeah. And my sister another one be an collabi or more sports and
not making offense they are not making and quadra watch.
Wow.
And one woo.
It's rather unfortunate.
A dose was in California, Sra Woman. One moment in Naho, 1 moment in Naho Palm Fabutena.
All right. Your father like say ma Agbeve Herbal Center and they unya Agbeve tonic ibia. Masa bobi ahode ne beba na bibia nso ay kama e dey amount. Vodafone. The future is exciting. Ready? Say Vodafone cash now they send this Vodafone cash to Vodafone cash is free. Vodafone cash to other networks ni na free. Latest phone, your partner for life. When him say bano phone mattress needs our products ni dia. Ya andi lidi o memua. Odo ho bedom ye nkwa dia bu zampa. Wonso ba be member now. You can't latest phone mawaji so your partner for life. I feel Tabia herbal mixture and also any your true and authentic herbal medicine. Ya unye binuma for the treatment of malaria fever. A bit too asiyama one time na ahwodin aba. Duraplast also where Duraplast goes, water flows and they products in their dorsal pass. You see it's Veronica back at TB na kwama become correct to say unye biza boy duma pa water tank omo aswa na deba and on say UPVC pipes na they are na omo ya da omo so ase ne e ma ye de na post bro ogusu tie Dwaso Nsem wa Adom 106.3 FM na sabre baby adu ede ese aboruam ni ahwe agudie Nsem de ekọ it is post page 1 and a Dwaso say de everywhere
Adom Sports number one
Strengthen with BX stocks. BX free and ponsa ifa pharmaceuticals ya grofo fra. Ebo ahuna metwetwe ne pa e waduane ayedim.
Emre du se wo so wo de ekoso wo wiase fa na nyina. Abra wo mre ho kwa. Test the Adom Echo 8787 and no. Ubenya SMS news, information alert, any updates. I fad the echoes will be at your fanena. Every Adom TV, Adom FM, any adomonline.com. Channel song, some message be our send be a 15 pesos. Adom FM, yeah, 12. Adom TV, yeah.
Say dear, Insure FM, Edin, yes, your Ghana, and we are here for neighbor beer, Bubuano, and found it by our in your basic beer, I'm Manu phone so. Ye hear us over test NF, Ako 8787, ye bet to 15 pesos per Udem, near. Kwasubia yɛde manu phone so see your nsem adwadie nsem anigidie nsem ananisu bia no yɛde bro simple kra insure day.
Hello there. Subscribe and text JF to 8787 to receive SMS news alerts, business, sports, and entertainment updates from Joy FM, My Joy Online, and Joy News, your most credible news source.
Get the latest news updates around the world in just a click away. Text JP to the short code 8787 and receive SMS alert on news, entertainment, sports, and many more on Joy Prime at only 15 pesos. Joy Prime, real entertainment.
At a cost of only 15 Ghana pesos, text LF to 8787 to receive SMS news alerts on business, sports, politics, entertainment, and more. From Love FM, experience the joy.
And red to say was on the echoes will be a fanena. A brown cry. Test the Adom Echo 8787 and no. Ubenya SMS news, information alert, any updates. I fad the echoes will be at your fanena. Every Adom TV, Adom FM, any adomonline.com. Channel song, some message be our best and be a 15 pesos. Adom FM, yeah, 12. Adom TV, yeah.
Say dear, Insure FM, Edin, yes, your Ghana, and we are here for neighbor beer, Bubuano, and found it by our in your basic beer, I'm Manu phone so. Ye hear us over test NF, Ako 8787, ye bet to 15 pesos per Udem, near Kwasubia, yet Manu phone so. See your nsem adwadie nsem anigidie nsem ananisu bia no ye de bro simple kra Insure FM day.
Hello there. Subscribe and text JF to 8787 to receive SMS news alerts, business, sports, and entertainment updates from Joy FM, My Joy Online, and Joy News, your most credible news source.
Get the latest news updates around the world in just a click away. Text JP to the short code 8787 and receive SMS alert on news, entertainment, sports, and many more on Joy Prime at only 15 pesos. Joy Prime, real entertainment.
At a cost of only 15 Ghana pesos, text LF to 8787 to receive SMS news alerts on business, sports, politics, entertainment, and more. From Love FM, experience the joy.
And red to say was on the echoes will be a fanena. A brown cry. Test the Adom Echo 8787 and no. Ubenya SMS news, information alert, any updates. I fad the echoes will be at your fanena. Every Adom TV, Adom FM, any adomonline.com. Channel
swinging. I said you Ramos, tackling. We are Messi, dribbling. Cristiano Ronaldo, scoring. We are only like the Olympics. I'm also diving. Adom Sports.
President to pauper, from Chancellor to the cheap seats. What a fabulous touch and take.
Adom Sports number one. Adom Sports number one.
right, mema watching Emma Wakwaba at about Adom 106.3. Sports page 1, Ebrana song writer, Amenyo Raphael Enamaji Dramedy, and someone a coach you call Bremain, time Pepia, Waterman, and Yasamakatwa over the weekend. Winning missing games and on the one night to me call. So my men found free. I'm on a name, Miria Metia Tomofie, na and someone Edia de Chechenon, Mama was on at Namachero, sending MSC console, Elfie, but Upiamu, our French League, match the 4 need to make also, Nanyasamakatwa Nice, one more Tinafia, one more and Shebi. Paris Saint-Germain, Equachomu Kami and San, Sana Equoya Brest, Etnafie, Wamo Shemi and San, Lorraine, Equati Canimu Mienu, Ment, Etnafie Shemienu, Sansona Rams, Eti Ecanimu Baku, Men pay for Angus, Omo Eti Canimu Baku, Strasbourg, Omo Trafie, Omo Eshe Bakuma Dijon, Wamo Antimi Antesa Cananant, Etnafie Saint Etienne, Abo 2-2, Sansona Marseille, Wamo Swakansi Omo Nail Boyanum, a 1-1, and a PMO Honmasa, Italy match the one, and so 8 me Echo, so na Palma tina fie odi ntwo Napoli akwakire ne twane kamienu a wono nso so wantimi antibi Genoa ehye 9 ama Crotone ete kanemu baako Sassuolo tina fie wo hye kan baako Cagliari enso so ehye baako Juventus akire Sampdoria twane kamiensa wantimi ante ewo hono masa enei Monday AC Milan ene Bologna ade akansie no eberentane so a meka ehonso nsem ade akire na German Bundesliga no eno so atimi abanse back on Friday no eye Bayern Munich omo hye kan baako 8 ama Shaka 04 womo antimi ante baako kura na no hye papa na Saturday no Borussia Dortmund na fie omo hye miensa Borussia Mönchengladbach womo enso antimi ante baako kura na Enra RB Leipzig womo etina fie hye miensa ensanso na Mainz 05 ete ekanemu baako hono sana Spanish La Liga Santander no match de 2 no so ya Ram SD Huesca Enra womo etina fie womo anhyebi Cadiz ekokire womo twom kamienu sa ene ekoye Granada etina fie omo hyemienu Deportivo Alaves ete ekanemu baako sanso na Real Betis ehye ekanemienu ama Real Valladolid womo enso antimi antibi Real Sociedad etina fie omo Real Madrid akansie no wo bia antimi afa ball anto ne nyonko atena na upiemu ewo ba bitise EPL nim English Premier League nim wonim se nyasam keto abawura Manchester United na nipa dodo na ni disa game we achi papa enei omo tena fie ama Crystal Palace be chemu twom kamiensa womo eti kanemu baako Arsenal the Gunners womo tena fie hyemienu West Ham womo eti kanemu baako sa ene piemu a meka de acha Saturday na enra games ni bi soko so Tottenham Hotspur enei womo etimi kwakire Sadanti twom kanum womo eti ekanemu mienu Liverpool we never walk alone womo ko bridge ne so eko bubugu mu a ekamienu ana mo so digu Chelsea atena mu a Sadio Mane hero on the day no obo 2 goals sanso na Jorginho nya penalty a wobo ade to twene ya eno so no ensam a epiemu ewo amanane na sharp ye piemu na afi ya bafie ensam ne dodo na so atodwa ewo fie a ese wasotie na wonim say because of COVID-19 tene ade a football activities na ahote ewo Ghana ne na nya asamaketo na enwa na doda suom Ghana mampenin His Excellency Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo enei watimi akasa ensam a wode ba ye nyina ne say ne update number 17 was football people me the Ghana Football Association no was so many natena sia di nkomo na nkomo wudi ye no akwa animu pa na wogidi ye pa se o makwan ema game ni timi ba so wo Ghana bibia nso ebetima wie pa ye etinei wa bia kwan se October 30 2020 no Ghana Premier League and Offensive Division 1 football no Jan Francis so wo Ghana ha President Akufo-Addo akasa.
Towards the progressive easing of restrictions, government is taking the decision to allow the resumption of training in all contact sports, taking into consideration the imminent participation of our national teams in international competition. All sports people who are camped are to be tested regularly. With respect to football, after due consultations with the Ghana Football Association, it has been decided that the Ghana Premier League and the Division 1 Football League will restart on Friday, 30th October.
All right, it's Ghana Mampeni, His Excellency President Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo wono na wote ne nsam sa wode ensam atudwa ekire se Ghana no ball no yebetimi abo na emum no ye cup venues na akohwe game na nya obia na betimi akọ 25% capacity ene betimi afele stadium na obia nso kwa utimi se social distancing no ebetimi aya adwuma na bibia nso atimi akoyie yempiemu ewo the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana woni se nche bia na the technical team of the senior national team no womo etimi maintain the Dante Andre Ayew as the captain of the side. Sabredi or Twaso Bajumano in the absence of Asamoah Gyan at the Ghana Black Stars in the day. Thomas Terpatesina Kaidema Atletico Madrid the day one abe first vice captain at the Ghana Bobo Kono air Black Stars Asemana Making Richard Ofori and so abe second vice captain the day veteran coach J.E. Sapon Papana Kasa J.E. Sapon someone Okanino what they for Asamoah Gyan na Edi Sefata se Otedi Okan.
Well, it's your ability to play, your strength to play, and then if you want people to recognize you, you have to recognize yourself first. Yeah, if you're a player and they're trying to push you away, you have to face the challenge and prove people wrong. Say that you're pushing me away, but I am worth it. So I am like this, I'm like that, I can do this, I can do that. What I say, I don't think pushing someone away from the Black Stars. But if it's so there, then that is their own level because I don't want to delve into that matter at all. I mean, that's not because I'm not part of them.
All right, J.E. Sapon, veteran coach of Koi United now, according to Queen, and maybe a chum ono, and I what they say what they and some to drive for Black Stars captains in a home, and my BPM so area pay MPM still on Black Stars, which means that the Eagles of Mali and they almost hosted the Black Stars of Ghana in a friendly, so when we say football, and they on Panyama Quenya, I see a bet me about anti Tech Mamuton, and I saw friendly game on a bet me at October 9, 2020, and Paya, a bet me all COVID-19 protocols in ya be observe ama bibia so atimi akoye say woni say wey a preparatory game one say one wey dey compost dia na ahead of the 2022 tournament to bia AFCON no e Cameroon and a sa preparation e dey akọ Ghana and prepare am no kasai qualifications na year bono Ghana ekita 6 points o group F wo lead sanso na Mali fo ya ne omo kwakọ boy ene omo so 4 points a omo lead group A na enya asem ketua eno so ne nsam kakra apiem o Blasters akache a meka ede a chew na yempiem o club football kakra woni say Edmond Aka wono oye experienced football administrator Kumasi Asante Kotoko wadi achira che okay last season kra no Kumasi Asante Kotoko Africa omo koye no na wodi mu ntintima pa Edmond Aka ne papa yi kasa woni say Kumasi Asante for apa papa bia your friend Emmanuel Newton da sobre and they want to be administrative and offensive operations manager Adiama Krobia Kumase Asante Kotokonene Edmonaka kasa was papa yetimi apa no aye da sobre Newton was so media pa whatever book Kumase Asante Kotokone Kotowa club no obetimi pagya no ade na koyedie mu
ya bre ewo the frequent change of okay me who da sobre appointment said emribi Ura Ashford Toku, ete House of Folk. House of Folk, more credible, more Samani, no. Or more if we say, Naya will be a now over the years, or Ashford Toku. Sana Kotokwa is here.
Okay, that's so very dear.
Yes, in the same way to say PG. So, it you know, yeah, as a supporters, you know, yeah, I see carry this fight. So, I don't know, yeah, can't share the masses, massive media. Ghana for you now say, yeah, barely changes. But the near had so I don't know. Say a far kotoko. As of folk, almost success of my chocolate over the years. Ashford, any panophobia, consistency of Munyai, Ejimo Moyeno, and Omugusu Didio.
Eti Edmond Aka wono kotoko immediate past wono no oka administrators for no ho bibia so ekosuye na ye piemu wansemfo from na afe ya sorry dwumade ne so ama bibia so akosuye eti ye kọ na afe so awrehosem ba ko a na no ada memene da etodwa na nhyeda enkoyie unimu se enkra bia wo football team ana omodon no Africa Vision Soccer Academy me ya sure se what ho nsem bebre district coast football registration and omokọ senka omokọ akwa na omokọ no enema antimi anwe pay a womonam kwan so a omokọ back no ene accident ene timi ko pie mu a enkra yi dodo na timi afiri mu a kyese ya rehosem pa na ka na eden kra ne kọ no enkra eba ne report wa ye gada kyerɛ mu a enipa baako 38 and then our bus ni more 2 officials 38 and as 34 players and our fence so driver and mate no ni na ka bomu ana kyerɛ sɛ enipa ne do so pa 38 players and crap me second and say enipa 7 and as abredie omo aka enchinagu eti aha and ayade dwumade ni na AC na fei Adom 106.3 sports page 1 ayade bae no na fei so yahwɛ ama enema akoso yie sɛ wonum sɛ MTN womo app no atimi aba enti oversete Play Store anase App Store no na fei watimi download my MTN app no na fei so watimi de momo no ato credit anase bundle ama bibia nso so awie pay the amount amponsa efa omo de BS tablets and atimi aba yehwɛ aka ho so nsɛm a kyerɛ sɛ pepun wuti o yaka bibibia BS tablet A2 asia the amount Betway or say bet your way Betway the say when say soccer betting company ba ko pa wo mo agitin wo mamu ano no bo mu din dia na che say upo mu ase nei me writer Amenyo Raphael the L Centro Campesta Creativo ewiase ni na presenter ana meje penny sports page 1 Adom 106.3 metene mu a mede ensem ne by me sorry